Anarchism, a term that strikes fear and confusion into the hearts of many, is often misunderstood and misinterpreted. Despite its radical connotations, it is a rich and fascinating political ideology that differs significantly from other forms of political thought, such as socialism or liberalism. Anarchism can be defined as a political philosophy that advocates for the abolition of all forms of government and the establishment of a society based on voluntary associations and cooperation between individuals. In other words, anarchists believe that individuals should have the freedom to organize themselves and make decisions without interference from any central authority or state. One significant way in which anarchism differs from socialism is in their respective approaches to the role of the state. Socialists believe that the state can play a positive role in society by regulating the economy, redistributing wealth, and providing social services to its citizens. Anarchists, on the other hand, view the state as inherently oppressive and corrupt, and argue that it must be abolished to achieve true freedom and equality. Similarly, anarchism differs from liberalism in its approach to individual rights and freedoms. While liberals value individual rights and freedoms, they also believe that these rights should be protected by the state. Anarchists, however, argue that the state itself is a threat to individual freedom, and that true freedom can only be achieved through the dismantling of all forms of authority. Another key difference between anarchism and other political ideologies is the emphasis placed on direct action and grassroots organizing. Anarchists reject traditional forms of political engagement, such as voting and lobbying, and instead advocate for direct action, such as protests and strikes, as a means of achieving social change. This emphasis on collective action and grassroots organizing sets anarchism apart from other political ideologies, which tend to focus on working within existing political structures. In conclusion, anarchism is a unique and intriguing political ideology that differs significantly from other forms of political thought. While it may be seen as radical and impractical by some, it offers a compelling vision of a society based on freedom, equality, and cooperation, and serves as an important reminder of the limitations of traditional forms of political engagement.